everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down part 2 of the BS chorus. So if you haven't yet learned part 1, I would recommend going back, watching that one first, learning that one, and then coming back to this one to learn part 2. So you can find a link to that video in my description box below, and we will get started with part 2 here. Okay, so any steps that you haven't yet learned that are in this combo, you can find in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist in my description box below, or in my Time Step playlist, or I have a bunch of playlists down there. So if you don't know any of the steps, go ahead and go searching for them. I probably have a tutorial for them somewhere in the my description box below. And if you have a question about anything, any of the steps or any part of it, just go ahead and leave me a comment and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so we just finished the last video, part 1, on that break, right? So the stomp, spank, heel, step, stomp, spank, heel, maxi forward, stomp. So stomp on our left, weights on our left, right foot's ready to go. You're gonna go stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step. So right foot, you'll go stomp, spank, heel, heels on the left, shuffle, step, right side. Okay, and I recommend on this shuffle step, stepping behind you so that your left foot has somewhere to go on the next step. Okay, so don't shuffle step. Sorry, that was a poor shuffle. Don't shuffle step with your other foot, because then your left foot has nowhere to go, or even ahead. It's gonna put you at a disadvantage there. So again, you have stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step behind. So right foot starts, stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step. And I don't really have enough space on my board here, but with your left foot, you're going to do brush, step, left foot. And then shuffle, heel, right, left. Step, heel on the right. That crosses right over left. Again, I don't have much room here on my board. And then a flap step on your, or flap step, stomp, left and then right. Okay? And what I like to think about is when I stomp, I like to kind of angle my body towards the opposite, diagonal to the opposite side of which foot I'm using. Okay? So if I stomp on my right foot, I'm going to stomp diagonally left. And then same thing as I come out of it with my left foot, I'm going to stomp with my left and go diagonally towards the right. So let's go through this one again. This one I think is maybe the hardest part of it. It definitely has the most like heel drops and whatnot. So you have to pay attention to those. Okay, so again, with your starting with your right foot, you have stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush, step, shuffle, heel, step, heel, flap, step, stomp. Okay, so again, right foot, we start on 8 and 5, 6, 7, stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush, step, shuffle, heel, step, heel, flap, step. Sorry, I fell from my board there. That was a heel drop there, if you couldn't notice, couldn't tell. So again, starts on 8 and 5, 6, 7, stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush, step, shuffle, heel, step, heel, flap, step. Sorry, should have been a heel. That's my trouble area there, is that heel, obviously. Try it again with me here. Starts on 8, 5, 6, 7, stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush, step, shuffle, heel, step, heel, flap, step. Okay, now we're ready to go on the left side. Flap, step, stomp. From here, you're going to do that same thing, just on the left side. Spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush, step, shuffle, heel, step, heel, flap, step, stomp. Good. So again, left side is stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush, step, shuffle, heel, step, heel, flap, step, stomp. You're going to do it one more time on the right side from here. Spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush, step, shuffle, heel, step, heel. This time, instead of doing flap step, you're going to do a shuffle step. This way we can switch from weight on our left to weight on our right, because we want to have the right foot ready to go. Whew. Okay, and I should have mentioned earlier too that the BS chorus has so many different variations that mine might be different than somebody else's, and theirs might be different from the next person's. So there's so many different variations on the BS chorus. There isn't one right way to do it. Okay, let's run through that again. So you're going to do this ultimately 3 times. Right, left, right. In tap, we like to do 3 and a break. That's just the way we do things. So we'll do it right, left, right 3 times, and then we go into the break. So let's try that one more time. Just the 3 steps. Starts on 8. Finish the last one instead of flap step. Instead of flap step, you're going to finish it as a shuffle step. Okay? Picking up that right foot to be ready to go for the break. All right, so we start on 8. Let's give it a try. This is part 2. And 5, 6, 7, stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, heel, flap, step, stomp, spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush step, shuffle, heel, step, heel. Last time. Shuffle, step. Good. I think I said shuffle in the wrong place there. Very sorry. That was supposed to be a brush back, brush step. Try that again. Starts on 8 and 5, 6, 7. From here, you're going to go into the break. So after that shuffle step, you're going to go right into stomp, spank, heel, step, stomp, spank, heel, maxi 4, stomp. Okay? So right after shuffle step. Good. Okay, so let's try that whole thing together now. About that tempo. Starts on 8 and 5, 6, 7. Shuffle step. Sorry, I don't know where my head is today. Sometimes I'm thinking about other things and then I forget about what my feet are doing. So, shuffle step. Okay, that's for me. Let's try it again a little bit faster here. Starts on 8, 5, 6, 7. Nicely done. Okay, so like I said, this is probably the trickiest one because it's just there's so many heel drops, different weight changes, and then you're crossing over at one point, going back at one point. It's just a little bit of a more awkward part of the combo. So let's try it again one more time, a little bit faster, and then we'll be good to go. So part 2 BS chorus starts on 8, a little bit faster, and 5, 6, 7. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.